Hi everyone, today I will talking about the Great North American Eclipse, a tale of shadow and wonder. On April 8, 2024, a celestial spectacle swept across North America as the moon cast its shadow upon the earth, transforming daylight into an eerie twilight. This was no ordinary shadow, it was the path of totality, the zone where the sun completely disappeared behind the moon, revealing its breathtaking outer atmosphere, the corona. For millions within this path, the total solar eclipse of 2024 was an unforgettable event, a poignant reminder of our place within the grand cosmic dance. Understanding a solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse occurs during a precise alignment of the sun, moon, and earth. When the moon passes directly between the earth and the sun, it temporarily blocks the sun's light. The moon's shadow consists of two parts, the dark, central umbra, where the sun is completely obscured, and the lighter penumbra, where only a portion of the sun is covered. It is only within the narrow band of the umbra's path that a total solar eclipse totality is experienced. The 2024 eclipse was special not only for its totality but also for its transcontinental path. Beginning in Mexico, the path of totality sliced diagonally across the United States from Texas to Maine, before continuing through southeastern Canada. Millions of people found themselves within driving distance of this celestial event, making it one of the most accessible total solar eclipses in recent history. Countdown to totality. In the months and weeks leading up to the eclipse, anticipation built across the continent. News outlets shared maps and viewing tips, reminding the public of the importance of eye safety. Hotels within the path of totality filled up quickly, and small towns braced themselves for an influx of visitors. For seasoned eclipse chasers, the 2024 event was a long-awaited date marked on their calendars. For many others, it was an unexpected opportunity to witness something extraordinary. As eclipse day dawned, weather forecasts became a central concern. A clear sky is crucial for optimal viewing. Thousands of people carefully chose their viewing locations, some opting for open fields for unobstructed views, while others flocked to organized events at parks, stadiums, and observatories. The stages of an eclipse. The eclipse experience unfolds gradually. Roughly an hour before totality, observers notice a tiny indentation on the edge of the sun. This is the first partial phase, as the moon slowly begins to cover the sun's disk. As the eclipse progresses, the daylight starts to take on an unusual quality, becoming slightly dimmer and subtly changing hue. Shadows become sharper and the temperature might drop slightly. In the final minutes before totality, excitement mounts. The sliver of the sun shrinks dramatically. The surrounding landscape is bathed in a strange, dusky light. Then, with breathtaking suddenness, appear the dazzling Abeli's beads, final points of sunlight shining through lunar valleys, and the diamond ring effect, a single bead of light set against the darkened sun. Totality. And then the world plunges into twilight. Totality has arrived. The sun's brilliant disk is replaced by the inky silhouette of the moon, surrounded by the ethereal glow of the solar corona, the sun's outer atmosphere normally invisible in the glare of daylight. Stars might become visible midday. Animals may react as if night has suddenly fallen. For those within the path of totality, time seems to stand still. The duration of totality varies depending on location but generally lasts mere minutes. Across much of the 2024 eclipse path, totality ranged from about 3 to 4.5 minutes. Observers gasp, cheer, and some even shed tears, overwhelmed by the beauty of this cosmic phenomenon. Experienced eclipse chasers scramble to take photos and observations, while others simply try to imprint the experience on their memory. All too soon, the first sliver of sunlight peeks from behind the moon, signaling the end of totality. As the sun slowly re-emerges, the landscape brightens, the corona fades, and a sense of normalcy returns.